Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, another unboxing. Now this one's Xiaomi 17 Ultra. You know what, this one I've been actually quite eagerly waiting, quite anticipated. I mean, don't get me wrong, I like always anticipating my unboxing phones, but this gives me like a new buzz. It's like it feels like a new thing because a lot of phones are very kind of like samey recently, I would say. So really looking forward to this version. I was supposed to get this last Friday, but of course I ordered it. I ordered it Boxing Day, so 26th of December. You know, with that period, the season, and New Year's. So I think got delayed and delayed and delayed. Finally came today, 8th of the January. So it's about. It was supposed to come last Friday, so you can imagine a good few days now. I got this one Wonder Mobile. I'll leave the link below. It cost me altogether, including postage, about 800. No, sorry, £941. It's actually cheaper now. It's actually cheaper now by about. I think it's about £909, but including postage, is about £10. So it's actually really good. No custom fees, which is good. No, just basically what you pay is just the price shown and the delivery. I said no hidden charges or anything like that. Yeah, so this is the Ultra. I like the last year's Ultra, which is one of my favorites of last year's phone. So also at the beginning scene, you see there was the specs like I always do. So you can go back and pause at the specs. So this one here, you probably can tell, hopefully, maybe. I'll leave that on the side so I have a guess which color. Put that aside, you probably guessed already. Nothing there. I don't know. Does that mean Xiaomi's gone for this kind of long thing? I know the Pocos and the K series, the same thing, are still the traditional size. I don't know what you guys think. I personally prefer the old style long. Don't know. I mean, for watches, I understand. Tablets, fine, but I think the phone should be like, the traditional size, in my opinion. That's just me. Okay, here you have all the. This is awesome, 100 watts charger. And you got the USB, which is A to C. You can see the little orange accent there, A to C. I mean, at least in these kind of import phones, you get the charger, cable, and probably a case. Unlike some companies out there, I mean, the Samsungs, the Apples, the Googles, the OnePlus sometimes, well, just the global versions, nothing phones, for example. Okay, so in here, it should be a case and paperwork. You can see already, yep, you got the SIM tray thing here. You got the paperwork and a nice see-through case, which is good, because this model, I'll show you now. Let me just put these aside. Let me just find somewhere to put it. This one, I think is just, you'll see what I mean. I mean, Wonder Mobile usually opens it up and install Play Store for you already. Apologies if you hear any noise. There's a few people in the kitchen having a chit chat. What I was trying to, there you go. It's the green version. It's got a nice cold filter because it's quite cold here in London at the moment, so you can feel the metal. It's a 6.9 screen. It's probably the same size or the same screen as the Ultra, the 17 Pro Max and the K90. Wow, look at that. It feels really good. So I'm glad it came with a see-through case so you can see this nice green color. You can see the Leica at the top. They're taking a camera out. I can't remember which one it is, correct. But check the specs, And also one thing I do like, I actually quite like the separations of the volume key. So plus, minus, I actually quite like it. It's got a power button there. Got your antennas, of course. Speaker, you got the SIM tray, USB. I think this is a 3.1. Oh, pardon me. I'm having a little cold. You can hear my voice is a bit different. Kind of, maybe starting a cold. This is not. Yeah. So this is the season really. It feels very similar. You can look at that. I'm really looking forward to using this because of apparently the Leica And Xiaomi has really put a lot of effort. Oh, this ring here, you can feel there's hopefully you can see it. You can see that. This one is not the Leica edition. For about extra nearly £200, you can get the Leica edition one, which I personally didn't go for. Yes, you got the ring. You can actually use it to zoom, and there was a few Leica exclusive filters if you're into that stuff. I personally didn't think it was worth the extra £200, give or take. And honestly, the black and white one wasn't, in my opinion, that attractive. If this one came in this kind of design, the color, the finish, and with the Leica rotation, zoom in, zoom out, I may have got the Leica edition. And I love the way that the metal just kind of like all flushed. Look at that. It's flat screen. And also, one of my biggest complaints was from the last edition. You know what? Let me just show you. This is last 15 Ultra. You can see the camera island is a little bit smaller than the last generation. But one of my kind of critique was I didn't like the placements of the camera of the 15. You can see it's kind of eclectic. This one, they kept it pretty, you know, two big ones at the top and two small ones. Well, one probably a light, but I kept it kind of really symmetrical, which is great. You can see that one, and you can see that straight away. You've got a bit of curve here, curvature. There you go. And they kept it pretty thin and light. Oh, they're both really good. I mean, this one feels, you can see there's a kind of nice flush, I wouldn't say flush, I'm sorry, kind of matte fish finish, smooth. This one feels different. It's really nice. This one you can see already gets a bit more fingerprints, magnet, you can see that. With this one, doesn't. So that's one good thing. You can see automatically, see the kind of the curve, and as you can see that, hopefully you can see it, that there's a bit here, like the case or the back just slaps onto this, where this one's everything's like a unibody. Well, nope, you can actually see it now, sorry, but it gives the effect of kind of like nice and curved. I won't say curved, like, how do I describe it? It's flat, it feels great in the hands, that's what I can say. Sorry. And yeah, one of the biggest things I did like with the new 17 series Xiaomi is that I like this kind of very kind of roundish area. It feels really cool in the hands. I do like it. So let me just slap on the case. Okay, so it's in between, is not hard plastic, but it's not that kind of rubber one. It's still flexible in a way, nice and simple. Probably get a bunch of other cases like I always do sooner or later. Nice and easy, perfect. So it seems like everything is just on the right side. Power, volume, nothing on the left. You can still see great design in the back. Oh, this feels really good. I like it. So let's have a quick boot up. This one is 12 gigabytes of RAM and 512, and I think it only comes in 512. So like I said, it cost me about, including postage and everything, it's about £941, give or take. It's actually cheaper now, so I'll leave the link in Wonder Mobile. Quickly go and check it out. It is probably my most expensive import for a candy bar phone, because most of them is around the 800, 700. But to be fair, if this model had a 12256 model, that'd probably be around the mid 800s. So it'll probably be the same as the other Ultra phones I had, because the other Ultra phones, there was an option for the 256 model. This one, the 512, was the only one. So you can see good. And this is the latest. Let me double check to make sure. This is, I think, it's the latest Harmony OS. It's got an update already. You can see that. 16 gigabytes of RAM. I will have a quick look at this. Oh, excuse me. So Harmony, apparently, the new Harmony OS has really fixed a bunch of stuff. So I need to have a quick look at that and play around with it. So have a look at the screen brightness. So pretty usual stuff here. refresh rate is, let's have a look, custom 120. I mean, I mean 144, 120, barely noticeable. But I think there's a lot of new flagships getting to like 165, 185 or above that nowadays. But I always said this, I think that they should have like a 90, just like a nice sweet spot. Keep the nice smooth, but also save a bit of battery life. So let me double check. You got the Play Store there, as you can see here. Yeah, so all in all, pretty good. I'm gonna just get connected to my other Xiaomi, and then we'll transfer my data over. But that looks pretty good, I tell you. One thing about the old one was this was a 6.73-inch screen, which is great, but because it's such a big camera bump, when you hold it, you kind of like, you don't really get a full grip. This one is a 6.9, so it's actually a really good size, and the camera bump is slightly a little bit smaller, so you get, you can see your hand covers a whole bit now, and it's got a nice curvature at the bottom. Really good to hold. This is actually really good. I like the flat display. The camera placement's a lot better. I think the camera bump is probably just the right size, considering I think it's a little bit wider as well. Yeah, it's a little bit more wider, but it's really, really nice. It feels like holding the Pro Max, 17 Pro Max, similar to that. Really, really looking forward to using this. It's actually, like all my unboxings or the phones I recently purchased, this one a bit more hyped, I would say, because I don't know, all the buzz about the new cameras. I'm also going to do a camera comparison as well, so stay tuned for that. So yeah, please like and subscribe for our cool stuff. Yeah, thank you to the end. So stay tuned for more. Until next time, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you're in the world. Please do stay safe. Goodbye now.